Imagine a place where it rained for 331 consecutive days. That's exactly what happened in Fash-Fash on Réunion Island, a French territory in the Indian Ocean. From August 1864 to July 1865, this tiny island experienced relentless rain, setting a world record. Réunion's unique geography plays a huge role in its extreme weather. The island's mountains force moist air to rise, leading to intense downpours. With tropical cyclones frequently passing by, it's no wonder Réunion is a global hotspot for extraordinary weather. This incredible rainfall period showcases nature's power and unpredictability.